Hey there moneymakers, welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things online income, from side hustles to affiliate marketing and beyond. Today we are diving into a topic that's equal parts exciting and profitable, and that's how to promote OnlyFans models and make money online. Yep, you heard that right. If you ever wanted to earn a steady stream of cash by helping others finding their new favorite OnlyFans creators, this is the video for you. So grab a snack, get comfy, and let's jump in, because your new side gig might just be a click away. What is OnlyFans? First off, let's talk about OnlyFans. Now, in case you've been living in a cave with no Wi-Fi, OnlyFans is the subscription-based platform that has taken the world by storm. It originally welcomed all types of creator artists, musicians, fitness gurus, chefs, and so on, but things really blew up when adult content creators realized they could build a direct relationship with their fans and earn money without the usual middleman. The reason is such a big deal: exclusivity. Fans pay a monthly subscription to access behind-the-scene content, live stream, and personalized messages. That's the secret sauce. And now the truly exciting part for us: OnlyFans has opened its doors to affiliates. So you can promote creators and earn a slice of the revenue from new subscribers you bring in. Chachi. Introducing Crack Revenue. So how do we get on the action? That's where Crack Revenue steps in. They've partnered with a lineup of high-profile OnlyFans modules, some seriously big names you've probably heard of. As an affiliate, you can promote these creators and earn commissions every time someone signs up through your link. Think of it like being a friendly matchmaker, except instead of matching couples, you match fans to their dream content creators. And guess what? You get paid for your hard work. That's my kind of love story. Now, it's super easy to get started. You have to join Crack Revenue. The link is in the description. Browse the offers, snag your affiliate link, and boom, you are in business. If you're stuck, their support team is just an email away at support@crackrevenue.com. As well, we have a section dedicated for crackrevenue.com forum on beermoneyforum.com. Segment 3: Best Practices and Guidelines. Now, before we start throwing links around, let's make sure we are doing this right. The number one rule is always respect the platform policies. A social media network or website has its own guidelines about adult content. We want to stay on the platform and not get booted out, right? Key guidelines. Number 1, use official creatives. Crack Revenue gives you special banners and promotional images for each OnlyFans model. Don't mix them up. Number 2, don't be spammy. Sure, you might be excited. Who wouldn't be, right? But random link drops in unrelated threads equals to instant suspicion. Add genuine value to your audience. Number 3, read platform policies. TikTok, Instagram, Reddit, each has different rules. Keep it tasteful and always follow their thoughts. Now, I like to say promote safely so you don't end up in the social media jail. Now, nobody wants their account locked faster than you say OnlyFans. Where to promote OnlyFans models? You can do it on social media. Platforms such as Reddit, X, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, even YouTube. Let me give you more details. So let's talk about the playgrounds available for your affiliate empire. Social media is an obvious one, but each platform has its own quirks. For Reddit, you need to find the relevant subreddits, communities about adult content, OnlyFans discussions, or niche fandoms. Engage first, comment, upvote, and offer a genuine advice or insights before dropping your affiliate link so you don't look spammy. Avoid spam Like I said, if you post your link without context, Reddit's community and the mods can unleash the ban hammer. You don't want that. Treat Reddit like a cocktail party. No one likes that person who barges in yelling, "Buy this," right off the bat. X, formerly Twitter. Embrace adult content. X is generally more relaxed about adult content, especially since Elon took over. Hashtag and emojis play an important role. Use hashtag OnlyFans, hashtag adult content, or relevant model at handles to get easily discovered. Pin a post. You can pin your best performing tweet, so it's the first thing people see when they visit your profile. TikTok, another great platform. You can do short clips, create teasing videos that are tasteful, and abide by TikTok's guidelines. You might be banned sometimes, but you can create another account. Music and trends. Hop on viral sounds or challenges for better reach. Bio link. Check my bio. Direct viewers to click your link in bio for the full experience. Your affiliate link is just one tap away. Instagram, another platform to explore. You can use stories and reels. Use them for subtle teasers or behind the scene lookups. Again, here we have the link in bio where you can direct users to a link in bio tool or a website, because Instagram is picky about external links, you already know, especially the adult ones. Stay safe. Now keep your images PG-13 so you don't violate Instagram adult content policies. YouTube. Now you can do video reviews or discussions. You can do a top 5 hottest OnlyFans creators or what to expect from a model page. You can try tasteful thumbnails. Now don't go overboard with explicit thumbnails. YouTube can be very strict. You don't want to lose your YouTube account and lose all that subscribers. Affiliate links. Put them in your description and pin them in the comments. A well-placed link is a beautiful thing. Cam websites and adult websites. If you already promote live cams or own an adult theme website, you can seamlessly integrate OnlyFans affiliate banners or links. Viewers already interested in live cam shows often crave more exclusive content, so hooking them up with your OnlyFans offers is a no-brainer. Website or blog. If you have a blog or can set up one, you can create in-depth reviews, top 10 lists, or comparison posts about different OnlyFans creators. Now, the key here is SEO. If you optimize your content for keywords like best OnlyFans models or top OnlyFans to follow, you could capture a lot of organic traffic from search engines such as Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Imagine waking up to more affiliate sales because your blog ranks high on Google. That's how you make money while you sleep. Next up, email marketing. Build your email list by offering something your audience wants. Maybe it's an OnlyFans discount guide or exclusive teaser pics in a weekly roundup. Then, whenever an OnlyFans model runs a promotion or you find a new creator that fits your audience's taste, shout out an email. Segmentation group. Group subscribers by niche, so if someone loves cosplay, they get updates about cosplay creators. Personalization. Use first names in your emails for a more friendly vibe. Visual, very important. Just because it's an email doesn't mean it has to be bland. Use images or short GIFs to entice clicks without violating any email service rules, of course. Trust me, when someone opens their inbox to see new cosplay queen on OnlyFans, they won't be able to resist clicking. Especially if you make it sound fun, exclusive, and, well, a bit spicy. Paid promotions. Now, if you've got some budget to play with, paid promotions can be the fast track to big results. Platforms like X Ads, Facebook ads or Reddit ads allows you to target specific demographics. Maybe your ideal audience is males aged between 25 and 34 in the US who follow certain adult teen pages. Boom, direct your ads to them with these ad networks. Just remember, number one, ad policies. Read them carefully. Adult content might have extra restriction or disclaimers that you need to read. Number two, budget wisely. Start small, track what works, scale the winners. Number three, creative testing. Try different images, headlines, or call to actions to see which gets the best click-through rate. Think of ads as speed dating for your affiliate links. You only have a few seconds to make an impression, so make it count. How to get started with Crack Revenue. Let's do a quick recap of the steps to get rolling on Crack Revenue. Number one, sign up. Create a free account at crackrevenue.com. Check the link in the description of this video. Number two, browse offers. Check out the selection of OnlyFans creators. Number three, get your affiliate link. Reach out to your affiliate manager if you need approval, and you can also try the email support at crackrevenue.com if needed. Number four, promote. Use any or all the channels we talked about earlier. Number five, earn commissions. Sit back, track your status, and watch the results roll in. Tips for long-term success. Here's a few bonus pointers to help you go from newbie to pro. Number one, consistency. Post or share offers regularly. Online audiences have a short attention span. Stay on their radar. Number two, analytics. Look at your click-through rate, check the conversions, and platform performance. Double down what's working and drop what is not. Number three, engage with the audience. If people comment on your posts, replay. Build a community vibe. Number four, stay updated. Follow the trends, new OnlyFans offers, or promotions. You never know when a hot new creator might blow up. And that's it, my friends. You are now fully equipped to promote OnlyFans models and make money online like a true professional. Whether you are sliding into subreddits, spicing up Twitter timelines, or crafting must-read blog reviews, there is a gold mine of opportunity waiting for you. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on future tips and tricks for making money online from home. Now, go out there, have fun, and may your affiliate links bring you lots of clicks and even more cash. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.